I think for XBRL, like any new technology, there are both benefits and challenges in adopting it. So let me just touch about the benefits of XBRL first. So firstly, XBRL provides a faster and more timely delivery of financial data, especially when the XBRL filings are filed at the same time as the PDF and HTML filings. And with the requirement to also provide the notes to the financials in XBRL, we can now provide, more granular and value-added data more efficiently. And thirdly, XBRL also facilitates the development of a market-based taxonomy, and this provides more comparable financial items across companies in the market. And last but not least, there can be many opportunities for collaboration across different market players, from the regulators to independent organizations like XBRL, to company filers, to data providers like us, and the end user clients and investors. So this creates new value propositions for the market, and we have a situation where everyone wins. Having said that, there are also some challenges in utilizing XBRL, and some of them include certain timeliness issues that we have encountered as we try to process XBRL filings. For example, certain documents like prospectuses, we find that there can be some time lag between the XBRL filing and the first document, the PDF or HTML document that was issued to the market. And we also noticed this, for financial reports in certain markets outside the U.S. And in markets where regulators allow open taxonomies and there's minimal regulation on the company-specific taxonomies, we have encountered significant challenges in using the taxonomy just because it just gets so huge, and there can be so many company-specific elements that processing the XBRL filings become not very efficient. And lastly, as a data aggregator, we have invested a lot in existing technology and intelligence to make processing HTML and PDF documents efficient. So, now with the new technology in XBRL, we need to, again, incur significant infrastructure and searching costs to use XBRL. I think if the filers can address the challenges that I mentioned earlier, they can go a long way in improving the data quality of their XBRL filings. So I think some suggestions that I think they can consider include, firstly, to ensure that the XBRL filings are reviewed before they're being submitted to the exchange or being validated by third parties like the audit firms that they use in auditing their financials. Secondly, and I would strongly encourage company filers to reduce the use of company-specific extensions where possible, or if they have to use a company-specific extension, to be able to tag that to a common taxonomy element to facilitate a comparison of this item. And then thirdly, to ensure the timeliness of the XBRL filings, the longer the time lag between the XBRL filing and the first public document issued to the market on the financials, the less usable the XBRL filing becomes. And last but not least, I think to just have an attitude to seek continuous improvements and adoption of the best practices. I think, if the filers can adopt some of these suggestions, they could really improve the quality of their XBRL.